Have you ever wondered how much numbers dominate our world? From the moment the rooster crows to signal the break of dawn, to the time you hit your pillow at night, numbers are a constant companion. They're there in the alarm clock that wakes you up, the calendar that organizes your day, and the speedometer that keeps your car on track. Think about it. It's not just the obvious places either. Numbers are woven into the very fabric of our existence, influencing more than just time and measurement. They're in the digital codes that make up the internet, the algorithms that drive your social media feeds, and the mathematical equations that keep our universe in check. Numbers are the unsung heroes, the silent partners, the invisible threads connecting everything. They're the universal language bridging cultures, time, and space. Whether it's the binary code that brings this video to your screen or the complex equations used by scientists to understand the cosmos, numbers are integral to our understanding of the world and beyond. But numbers aren't just practical tools. They're fascinating in their own right. They carry secrets and patterns, mysteries and marvels. They're the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vast expanses of the cosmos. They're at the heart of some of our greatest scientific discoveries and technological advancements. And yet, for all their omnipresence, numbers often go unnoticed. They're so ingrained in our lives that we take them for granted. But if you stop and think about it, the world of numbers is a universe unto itself, teeming with infinite possibilities and endless fascination. So, whether you're a math enthusiast, a fact lover, or just curious about the world around you, you're in for a treat. Because numbers, as you're about to discover, are far more than just digits on a page or a screen. They're a window into the mysteries of the universe, a key to understanding the world in all its complexity and beauty. So let's dive into some astonishing facts about numbers. What's the most magical number? Surprisingly, it's 0. This humble digit, represented by a simple circle, has a rich history and a profound impact on the world of mathematics. It was ancient mathematicians in India around the 5th century AD who first recognized the power of this seeming non-entity, assigning it a place value and allowing for the development of large number systems. 0, the lack of quantity, paradoxically opened up infinite possibilities. It revolutionized mathematics, allowing for the development of algebra and calculus. These mathematical tools, in turn, laid the foundation for modern physics, engineering, and computer science. Speaking of computer science, let's not forget zero's starring role in binary code, the language of computers. Each bit in this code is either a 1 or a 0. This simple binary system drives the complex digital world we live in today. So, 0, a simple circle, is indeed a hero in our number system. Imagine a number so unique that it appears in everything from the pyramids of Egypt to the Parthenon in Greece. This magical number is the golden ratio, often symbolized by the Greek letter phi. Mathematically, it's approximately 1.618, a seemingly mundane number that hides an extraordinary secret. This ratio is a mathematical constant that occurs when a line is divided in such a way that the ratio of the whole line to the larger segment equals the ratio of the larger segment to the smaller one. But its magic extends beyond mathematics. In architecture, the golden ratio provides a sense of balance and aesthetic appeal. From the pyramids to modern skyscrapers, it's a hidden architect's tool. In nature, it's in the spiral of a galaxy or the pattern of a pine cone. And in art, it's used to create pleasing, natural-looking compositions. The golden ratio, a number that is as much a piece of art as it is a mathematical concept. Can you think of a number that has fascinated mathematicians for centuries? Let's talk about pi, a constant that's as intriguing as it is indispensable. This unique number, approximately 3.14, is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. It's a cornerstone of geometry, cropping up in formulas dealing with circles and spheres, waves, and even the mysterious world of quantum physics. But the allure of pi goes beyond its practical use. It's an irrational number, meaning it can't be expressed as a finite decimal or a simple fraction. Its digits stretch on into infinity without any discernible pattern. Despite the advancements in computational power, we've only scratched the surface of pi's infinite sequence. Some of the greatest minds have tried to unravel its mystery, yet it remains elusive, an infinite enigma wrapped in the simplicity of a circle. Pi, a number that keeps on giving, and we still can't find its end. What if I told you there's a special group of numbers that has puzzled mathematicians since ancient times? Welcome to the captivating realm of prime numbers. These are numbers that can only be divided evenly by one and themselves. They stand alone in the vast universe of numbers, with no other divisors to share their identity. The first few prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 may seem ordinary, but as you go higher, they become increasingly elusive. There's no formula that generates prime numbers, making them a tantalizing mystery. Yet despite their unpredictability, they found a home in the heart of our digital age. Prime numbers are the hidden gears driving the engine of modern encryption, protecting our most sensitive data from prying eyes. They are the unseen guardians of your online transactions, emails, and secure websites. It's a paradox, isn't it? These solitary ancient numbers are integral to our interconnected modern world. Prime numbers, the enigmatic loners of the number world. What if we could communicate using only two numbers? Imagine a world where the only digits are 0 and 1. Yes, you heard it right, just two numbers. This is the essence of binary language, a system so straightforward yet so powerful that it forms the backbone of our digital world. Binary language, also known as the base 2 system, is a numerical system that operates virtually everything on your computer. From the tiniest microprocessor to the largest supercomputer, binary is the lingua franca of the digital realm. But how does it work? Well, the magic lies in its simplicity. Every digit in the binary system, also known as a bit, is either a 0 or a 1. When we string these bits together, they form a binary code, a series of zeros and ones that computers can understand. Each code represents different data or instructions. It's like the computer's own alphabet, but instead of 26 letters, it only has 2 digits. Now you might wonder, why binary? Why not a system with more numbers? The answer lies in the very nature of digital circuits. These circuits have 2 states, on and off, which naturally aligns with the 2 digits of binary 1 and 0. And it's not just computers. Binary also plays a crucial role in various fields such as mathematics, physics, and even biology. The famous genetic code, for instance, can be viewed as a form of binary system, where the 4 bases of DNA can be represented by pairs of zeros and ones. The beauty of binary lies in its simplicity and universality. It's a language that transcends barriers, enabling us to communicate with machines and even potentially with alien civilizations. It's the bedrock of our digital age, powering everything from our smartphones to the internet, from video games to artificial intelligence. Binary, the language that transformed the world into a digital playground. So, what's the big deal about numbers? Let's take a moment to consider the fascinating journey we've traveled together. From the vast universe of numbers, we've explored the intriguing corners that often go unnoticed. It's been quite a ride, hasn't it? We started off by plunging into the magic of 0, a simple, often overlooked figure, yet it holds the power to transform any number it's attached to. It's a symbol of nothingness, and yet it holds within it the potential for everything. Then we moved on to the golden ratio, the divine proportion that's been the secret ingredient to many of nature's most magnificent creations. It's hidden in the spirals of sunflowers, the shape of galaxies, even in the proportions of the human body, a mathematical constant that's been an artist's companion for centuries. Next, we ventured into the world of pi, an irrational number that's been a constant companion in our journey through geometry, from the simplest circle to the most complex calculations in physics. It's a number that never ends and never repeats, a testament to the infinite possibilities that numbers hold. We then uncovered the mystery of prime numbers, those elusive figures that can only be divided by one and themselves. They're the building blocks of all numbers, the atoms of arithmetic. And who could forget our foray into the language of binary? The code that drives our digital world. It's a language of just 2 digits, 0 and 1, yet it holds the power to create an endless array of information. So, why do numbers matter? Because they're everywhere. They define our universe, our world, our lives. They're the language of the cosmos, the ink in the book of nature. They're not just digits on a page or a screen. They're the keys to understanding everything around us. Next time you see a number, remember, it's not just a digit, it's a universe of possibilities.